We're going to give you a brief, and you'll find out why, room tour of room 341 at the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino here in downtown Las Vegas. Booked this room for a couple of nights because, well, wanted to stay downtown, and this was free. The only free room I had. And this is a very old hotel. In fact, it's originally built in 1906, and you're looking at the bathroom, which has been updated since 1906, but it's pretty small. They have some, they seem like decent bath products, if I cared. Classic, old school 70s, well, that's kind of a newer shower head. Tub shower combo, but this is a very small bathroom. This is definitely not for the folks who need a lot of room to do their makeup and such. It's a little closet in here. It's a pretty decent sized closet, I guess. So there's that. A lamp, a mirror, a television with some very basic television channels. This room typically goes during the week for about $20-25, so get an ice bucket. You do, thankfully, get, no, not a hairdryer. You get a safe, so that's good. A few drawers, and a little scuffed up, little chair in the corner. They gave me a free t-shirt today because it's halfway to St. Patrick's Day. And this is the best part. The view is just awesome. We have a lot of pipes going on, and my finger right there. They asked me whether I wanted a room facing out to Fremont Street or a quieter room here. It's a queen-size bed, I believe. Again, really basic. Phone, whatever. I mean, it is what it is. This is a very small room, but it appears to be clean, and it's a room you can get even if you're not comped for less than $50 a night here in Vegas. So anyway, Golden Gate. I've stayed here before. The first time I've stayed at one of the basic rooms. So we'll see. But thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our fabulous Vegas Tips and Tricks channel.